Hello. If you've been wondering whether you can download and install apps and games on your Boltt smartwatch like the TikTok app, YouTube app, Spotify, Netflix into your Boltt smartwatch, or even download games and apps, then take a look. Now, over here on our Boltt smartwatch, if you go over to the list of apps on the Boltt smartwatch, you're going to see that we have tons of applications over here, but we do not have the App Store or the Google Play Store to download apps and games into the Boltt smartwatch. And even if you click on the more option over here, you're actually going to see even more applications and even games that you can actually play on your Boltt smartwatch. But specifically, there is no App Store or Google Play Store for us to be able to download and install apps and games into our Boltt smartwatch. And also on the Boltt smartwatch app, which is basically the Dafit smartwatch app, if you actually scroll through all of the options we have over here, there is specifically no App Store. So the Boltt developers did not create a specific App Store for you to download and install apps into your Boltt smartwatch. And so the answer is no, you cannot download and install apps and games into your Boltt smartwatch. The best you can actually do is to get certain applications or certain games from the pre-installed applications that are listed on the smartwatch already. Also keep in mind that certain Boltt smartwatches can actually download apps and games, but specifically these are Boltt smartwatches that uses the Android operating system. So if you have a random Boltt smartwatch like this one over here, then do not expect the smartwatch to be able to download apps and games. The model of Boltt smartwatches that can actually download apps and games are those ones that run the Android operating system, and usually they come with the Google Play Store so that you can actually download apps and games from the smartwatch. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one over here.